Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're talking about a product that promises to be a game changer for anyone with sensitive, dry, or irritated skin, the Purifect Rescuing Ceramide Face Serum. Whether you've been struggling with itchy patches, tightness, or general discomfort, this serum claims to deliver soothing hydration and restore your skin's natural balance. But does it live up to its claims? Let's dive in and find out. First off, the Purifect Rescuing Ceramide Face Serum is designed for those who need targeted relief from dry, reactive, or sensitive skin. It combines the power of Ceramide NP, Panthenol, and vitamin E with a clean, high-performance formula that's 96% naturally derived. This blend of actives aims to hydrate, strengthen your skin's barrier, and calm irritation, all without the heaviness or greasy feeling you often get from traditional moisturizers. Ceramides are essential in restoring the skin's barrier, which is vital for preventing moisture loss. When your skin's barrier is compromised, you can experience tightness, irritation, and increased sensitivity. This serum, with Ceramide NP, goes straight to work reinforcing that barrier, while Panthenol adds hydration and vitamin E calms any redness or irritation. The formula is also paraben-free, sulfate-free, and free of harsh chemicals. So if you're someone who's sensitive to certain ingredients, you can rest easy knowing this product is hypoallergenic and non-comedogenic. I've been using this serum for a few weeks now, both morning and night, after cleansing my face. The first thing I noticed was how fast it absorbs into the skin. No waiting around for it to sink in. It left my skin feeling instantly hydrated and soothed, without any residue or greasiness. It's lightweight, so it's easy to layer with other products, which is a big plus in my routine. Over the course of my testing, I found that it helped calm some dry patches on my cheeks and reduce the occasional redness around my nose and chin. One of the things I appreciate is how this serum works for both day and night use. In the morning, I could apply it and my skin felt comfortable all day. No mid-afternoon tightness or irritation. At night, it was like a comforting treatment, preparing my skin for its rest. I also found that it improved the texture of my skin over time, leaving it smoother and more balanced. As for the pros and cons, let's talk about what really stood out. On the positive side, the fast-absorbing, non-greasy texture makes it perfect for daily use. It's incredibly gentle, which is ideal for sensitive skin, and the fact that it doesn't clog pores is a huge benefit. Plus, you get a generous 30-milliliter bottle, and a little goes a long way. So I'd say this is great value for money. The ingredients list is top-notch for those looking for a clean and skin-safe product. On the flip side, while I love the formula and the results, some may find the price slightly higher than similar drugstore serums, especially if you're just starting to build your skincare routine. But if you've been searching for something that's both effective and clean, I think it justifies the cost. As for comparisons, there are other ceramide-based serums on the market, but many of them can be overly thick or leave that sticky, tacky feeling. Purifect Rescuing Ceramide Face Serum stands out because it's so lightweight and fast-absorbing. It's also free from many common irritants, making it a solid option for anyone with compromised skin. The packaging is also sleek and functional. The serum comes in a glass bottle with a dropper, which makes it easy to dispense the right amount without wasting any product. And since the ingredients are gentle, I don't expect any issues with irritation or allergic reactions, which is often a concern with harsher products. Now, I didn't have any direct interaction with customer support, but the brand's transparency about its clean and cruelty-free practices really speaks to its commitment to quality. With certifications like Leaping Bunny for cruelty-free development and Navoba certification as a veteran-owned business, I can tell Purifect really cares about both the environment and the consumer experience. If you're in the market for an alternative, there are some other ceramide-based serums like the CeraVe Hydrating Serum, which is a bit more affordable. However, for those with more sensitive skin or specific concerns about clean ingredients, Purifect may just be the better choice. So after testing it extensively, here's my final verdict. Purifect Rescuing Ceramide Face Serum really does what it promises. It hydrates, strengthens the skin barrier, and calms irritation without feeling heavy or greasy. If you've got dry, sensitive, or irritated skin and are looking for a clean, lightweight serum, This one is definitely worth considering. It's a great option for anyone looking to restore balance to their skin without compromise. If this review was helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so other beauty lovers can discover honest reviews like this. Your support helps us continue to bring you the best in beauty. Thank you so much for tuning in today. If you've tried this product or have a similar serum you swear by, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.